Hello everyone, welcome to another Skyrock Tinkercad tutorial. Today we'll teach you how to make thread. So what exactly is a thread? So if you take a look at these pictures that we found on Google, and you can see a bolt and a nut. So a thread usually comes in two parts, okay? And usually there's an external part an internal part. An external part is a male part, and an internal part it's a female part. So what are these things usually used for? These are usually used for fasten multiple parts together. Okay, so I'm sure you guys have all seen these at your household. So with that saying, we're gonna start our today's lesson. Okay, so go to your new work plane. Okay, and then we're gonna click here, go to shape generator and feature. Okay, I'm gonna drag this isometric shape right here. Okay, so after we drag this shape in there, we gotta find what is the dimension of this thread that we're creating. So what we're going to do is we're going to Google. And you guys can skip this part, just watch me do this because I'm going to give you the dimension later. Okay, so I'm going to type in 1/4 MPT dimension, thread dimensions. Okay, click on all. So this is the quarter one, is just the one that we're using. It's 18, the rotation is 18, and then 0.5. But these are in inches, so we have to convert these number into millimeter. So with that saying, I'm gonna go to inches to millimeter, and then I'm gonna put in my number. So it's 13.716. So 13.72. Okay, so just watch this. You don't have to do what I just did, and we're gonna go back to Tinkercad. Okay. And then, so with that saying, earlier we convert the inches to diameter. So now I'm going to change my diameter to 13.72. Okay. Then I'm going to change my pitch to 1.5, segment to 32. Okay. Then and change the rotation to 18. Okay, and then the tip scales will be 0 and tip segment will be 4. Okay, and my thread scale will be 1. Okay, and after I do that, I'm going to drop a ruler in here, and I'm going to change my heights of this thread to 25.40. Okay, that looks pretty good. So we've just finished the male part of the threads, and now we're gonna do the female part. Okay, and then we're gonna go to basic shape. Okay, we're gonna drag a cylinder in here. Okay, I'm gonna change the dimension to 20. And this is to 22, and here's 22 as well. Okay, then what we're going to do is to duplicate this male part that we just made. I'm going to use your arrow key, move it, and then we're going to align these two. Okay. And then we're going to change this to a transparent shape because we want it to cut through this. The problem is, if you just print it, if you just 3D print this shape right here, and you won't be able to fit this male part in it. So we have to make the transparent shape a little bit bigger than this one. Okay, so we're going to click on here. Then we're going to change the diameter to 15.5, and then we're going to try to realign